So there are many common misconceptions around reputation management, and I just want to call it out as to why they exist. They typically exist because sometimes the business owner gave up on making the effort. So it's easier for them to remind themselves of why they gave up and why it's not worth the time. And there's also misconceptions that are formed through bad information and bad sources. Word of mouth alone will not sustain your business. But the misconception and the interpretation is that it will just sustain it. We've heard and we've seen it from time to time. I don't need the internet. I've been doing this a long time. I've been around forever. People know me. I'm the best. That's not going to cut it. In today's digital age, that doesn't work just by itself. The concept of word of mouth has really evolved. It's no longer just about what people say in passing. It's not just about what they say online through reviews. It's a combination of everything, from what they hear, what they read, what they say, what they watch, their first impression, your interaction. All of it plays in an evergreen mode. It never stops. And all of these experiences are fueled by reviews, because reviews act like the modern day word of mouth, but with one big difference. They can reach hundreds, even thousands of potential customers, either in your favor or against you. See, ignoring online reviews is like turning down free advertising. It's like expecting your vehicle to run without the engine turned on. Think about it. Every positive review is an opportunity for your business to shine in front of a much larger audience. It's essential to recognize that what people say online can and does have a significant impact on attracting new customers, whether you believe it or not. What comes up often is, my website is enough to attract customers. See, having a website is crucial. There's no doubt about that. But here's the thing. A website is just one piece of the puzzle. In today's world, customers want more than just a piece of the puzzle. They want it all. And having just a static website is not enough. They're looking for real experiences, real stories, real examples of how things went. Something that gives them confidence and context in their decision to choose your business. This is social proof. And social proof is as valuable as reviews on Google, Yelp and other sites. Reviews on those sites and social proof on social media, they are the dynamic duo that are the deciding factors that often turn visitors, onlookers, into paying customers. So while your website is important, it's the reviews and the social presence and social proof that really helps seal the deal. Another misconception is only happy customers leave reviews. That's a common misconception, that only unhappy customers take the time to leave reviews. But that's not the case at all. You've seen your fair share of positive reviews, to the point that maybe you think those could all be fake. There's no way they have that many positive reviews. Happy customers do leave positive reviews. I've left positive reviews because if a business overwhelms me with how excellent they are, I want to give them a positive review because I know how important it is. And also, people leave negative reviews. Of course they do. If you're unhappy, you do leave a negative review. But also you get reviews in the middle as well. But if you've gone above and beyond and you've given an amazing service, people will go out of their way to review you. Your reminder complements that effort. And if they have a horrible experience, they will make the effort to leave you a negative review. So it's always important to know that you need to have processes in place to identify potential issues that could cause a negative review, and then mitigate those by giving people the option to share their frustration or get a resolution. All of this starts and ends with actively managing your reviews and engaging with your customers and turning satisfied clients into your biggest advocates, and the customers that are not happy with you into those that help shape how your business runs better. And eventually, with corrective action, they become supporters of your business and eventually return to be the biggest advocates. And overall, positive reviews showcase the true value of your business, helping to build trust with potential new customers. It's all about creating an online culture where your happy customers feel inspired to share their experiences. And lastly, my business is small. Reviews won't make a difference. That is absolutely a misconception. It is another myth, I hear it a lot, is that small businesses don't need to worry about their reviews. That answer is incorrect. And that they don't make a difference, that is also incorrect. The truth is, whether you're a small local business or a large enterprise, no matter how you cut the pie, reviews matter. They build credibility, they influence buying decisions, and they can set you apart from your competitors, no matter what your size. In fact, for small businesses, reviews can be the game changer to disrupt a local market. They help you level the playing field by showcasing your strengths and building trust with potential customers. So do not underestimate the power of reviews because of the size of your business. No matter how small your business is, reviews can be the game changer. So let's get to why reputation matters, debunking these misconceptions and myths. Let's talk about what we could start doing to take the very first step in managing and controlling our online reputation. And that starting point is doing a Google search of yourself.